These are the male genital parts which we see in this plastic block. It can be seen from the outer side or a section in which you can see it from the inner side also. If we look at the outer side first, testis, covered by scrotum, and from the testes you can see the epididymis, and from the epididymis vas deferens going in this, the spermatic cord.
Yes.
Okay,
Consists of vas deferens, vessels, arteries,
we will discuss
lymphatics
that.
and nerves.
Okay, the vas deferens going on the posterior side of the urinary bladder, and it is opening in the prostate gland here, mixing with the duct of the seminal vesicles, forming the ejaculatory duct opening in the prostatic urethra. This red colored structure is the prostate gland. This is the male urethra, which is going in the penis, the corpora spongiosum of the penis, opening at the tip of the penis. Get it?
Yes.
Okay.
Much of shape.
Come. Now, as you can see, I have not removed it so that you can be familiar with it. They can ask in the OSPI on this model also.
What is this and what is this?
Yes, like he has put the word here, it's D. Identify this part.
Testis.
They can ask
Structure of testis.
structure of testis,
Blood supply.
nerves
Nerves and
Nerve,
lymphatics.
layers, lymphatics,
Layers covering.
layers covering in the scrotum, development of testes, descent of testes,
Listen.
anything on the testes. Okay? Blood supply means, suppose they ask blood supply, what will you write?
Testicular artery. Branch of abdominal artery.
Level up.
The word used is blood supply, not arterial supply.
Venous, then
Yes.
veniforms.
Whenever you are asked the word blood supply, answer artery and veins both. Okay? Suppose they ask you, tell the blood supply of the testes. How will you answer it?
There's artery and vein.
Yes, artery,
Testicular artery.
branch of,
Aortic
Dominant.
and
Level 2.
plexus. This pampiniform plexus joining to form a single vein.
There's left
Right.
vein.
Yes,
right
very
vein.
good.
Right.
Left vein and left renal vein.
Very good.
Right and then inferior vena cava.
Very good. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. How do they pass from this? Or they might just circle like this. Identify this structure.
Where?
This. Spermatic cord. What are the contents of spermatic cords?
Vas deferens.
Vas deferens,
Artery of vas
artery.
deferens. Then veniforms, lymphatics, nerves.
Sympathetic
Vessels.
nerve.
Okay, you know that. They can be you can be asked about the spermatic cord also. They can put A, B, C, D here also. Scrotum. Layers of the scrotum.
Skin, scrotal skin.
Okay.
Spermatic.
Then they have put a
Vas deferens.
vas deferens. Okay. What is the blood supply of the vas deferens?
Artery.
Artery of the vas deferens.
Cervix. Sympathetic.
What is this?
Seminal
Seminal vesicle. They can ask you what is the secretions of the seminal vesicles?
Alkaline.
Alkaline here.
Alkaline secretion, that's
Okay.
60%.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Yeah. What is this? This prostate gland. Prostate gland. Here in this case, they have asked the prostate gland from inside. X. What is this? Prostate gland. I'll show you.
يا أخي وقف وشوفها. تاخذ وقت التسجيل.
This is the peripheral zone.
This is the
Peripheral zone.
peripheral zone. It has got a glandular part and a
Glandular bulb.
prostate,
Central part.
central part and the periphery, which is more common for
The central part.
central part.
Hyperplasia.
Hyperplasia
And peripheral
and
part, adenocarcinoma.
adenocarcinoma. Okay, where does the carcinoma of the prostate spread?
Adenocarcinoma.
Where will the carcinoma part?
The peripheral zone.
Suppose there is carcinoma of the prostate
The
gland.
peripheral zone.
Where will it go? Where will it spread?
Bilymphatics.
Metastasis.
No.
External and internal.
Okay, this is local spread. What is distant spread?
In the liver.
Liver. Okay.
Liver, lung, brain,
Brain bone. Okay, very good. Why brain bone?
The same liver.
Same.
La la. That is because of the venous plexus.
Venous plexus.
Okay, that is called as the Patson's plexus of veins. They spread from here to the rectum and the spine, and then go to the upside into the brain. Okay. They may ask about the penis. What is this? Lala. Corpus spongiosum.
spongios.
Yes. What?
Didn't
How,
saw it, so let's see.
what is corpus spongiosum?
لا I didn't saw it. I haven't seen it.
خلوا يتكلموا يا شباب.
Yes.
كمان دكتور.
You are all experts in the, what do you call it as, anatomy of the male genital system.
Yes, sure.
What is this now on the back side?
They see
What
it.
is?
La 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 la.
We can't see it. Where? This one? This in your شليك في المصور.
This is bulb.
It's not clear.
urethral.
This. This one? Accessory gland.
كوبر.
This is duct.
بروستات سيمن مدري ها
This is
Jaculator
prostate.
duct. Jaculator duct.
This is the from fast difference to
The
open of the
Where is it?
This is covered in this X.
big and groove.
بس اشياء مشر
We don't know.
Doctor?
Try to find out what is prostatic utricle.
Utricle.
Try to find out what is prostatic utricle.
For urine. What is it?
What is- try to find-
For urine.
La. May I ask, if a person is answering very nicely, if I want to put a difficult question, what is prostatic utricle? Try to find out.
What is it?
Now for your friends, somebody please tell them what is this, because I have repeated it, they have come a little late. Try to, la la la, that is important.
That's it.
La la. For your friends, just explain.